The ANNKE 8CH 3K Lite Security System offers a comprehensive security solution with its advanced 8-channel digital video recorder and 4 2-megapixel cameras, providing a robust surveillance setup. This system is enhanced by AI technology, offering precise human and vehicle detection, which makes it easier to identify important events. With the upgraded H.265 Plus compression, users benefit from extended recording time and reduced bandwidth usage, and the system supports up to 10 terabytes of hard disk drive storage. A standout feature is the Smart Dual Light system, which provides clear, full-color night vision, ensuring security during day and night with instant notifications of detected intrusions. The cameras are equipped with infrared and white lights, offering black and white night vision up to 100 feet and full-color night vision up to 66 feet, alongside an IP67 weatherproof rating to withstand various climates. This system allows for easy remote access, giving users the ability to monitor their property from anywhere, enhancing peace of mind with its reliable and user-friendly design.